The real Hypixel experience. Welcome back to Minecraft Craziest Experiments number 1, Minecraft Fireball. I'm scared my roommates will hear me yelling, so I'm actually...
You know, people say getting into YouTube is so hard because you need a good equipment, you need a good gaming keyboard, you need a good mic, or just look at me. I found this mic on the floor and I'm fine. Let's play. Oh!